The matrix puzzle. The objective of this puzzle is to transform this matrix into this form using row operations. 1. Interchange two rows. 2. Multiply a row by a non-zero number. 3. Add two rows. Let's start. Interchange row 1 and row 2. The new matrix is, for row 1 we have 1 1 1 5. Row 2 is 2 3 5 8. And row 3 is 4 0 5 2. Next is to make row 2 column 1 equal to 0. What is the opposite of 2? Negative 2. So let's multiply row 1 with negative 2. This is row 1 and this is row 2. Negative 2 times row 1 plus row 2 to replace row 2. So negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, negative 2 times 1 1 1 5 plus row 2 2 3 5 8. This is equal to 0 1 3 and negative 2. Let's replace row 2. Our new matrix is 1 1 1 5 0 1 3 negative 2. Copy 4 0 5 2. To make row 3 column 1 equal to 0, add its opposite. The opposite of 4 is negative 4. Multiply negative 4 to row 1 and add to row 3. Negative 4 times row 1 plus row 3 to replace row 3. This is our row 1 and this is our row 3. Negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4. The numbers in row 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 plus numbers in row 3, 4, 0, 5, 2. Negative 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Negative 4 plus 0 equals negative 4. Negative 4 plus 5 is equal to 1. Negative 20 plus 2 is equal to negative 18. Our new matrix is replace row 3 and copy row 1 and row 2. We're done with column 1. Now let's proceed to column 2. Since row 2 column 2 is already 1, let's make row 3 column 2 equal to 0. The opposite of negative 4 is 4. So multiply 4 to row 2, add row 3 to replace row 3. This is row 2 and this is row 3. 4, 4, 4, 4 times the numbers in row 2 plus row 3. Zero plus 0 is equal to 0. 4 plus negative 4 is equal to 0. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Negative 8 plus negative 18 is equal to negative 26. Let's copy row 1 and row 2 and replace row 3. 0, 0, 13, negative 26. Let's make row 1 column 2 equal to 0. What's the opposite of 1? It's negative 1. Let's multiply negative 1 to row 2. Negative 1 times row 2 plus row 1 to replace row 1. This is our row 2 and this is our row 1. Negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1 times 0, 1, 3, negative 2 plus 1, 1, 1, 5 equals 0 plus 1 is 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Negative 3 plus 1 is equal to negative 2. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Replace row 1 and copy row 2 and row 3. 1, 0, negative 2, 7. 0, 1, 3, negative 2. 0, 0, 13, negative 26. Let's make row 3, column 3 equal to 1. This is the reciprocal of 13. 1 over 13. 1 over 13 times 13 is equal to 1. Our statement is 1 over 13 times row 3 to replace row 3. 1 over 13, 1 over 13, 1 over 13, 1 over 13 times 0 times 0 times 13 times negative 26. This is equal to 0, 0, 1, and negative 2. Replace row 3 and copy row 1 and row 2. 1, 0, negative 2, 7, 0, 1, 3, negative 2, 0, 0, 1, negative 2. Let's make row 2 column 3 equal to 0 by using row 3. The opposite of 3 is negative 3. So negative 3 times row 3 plus row 2 to replace row 2. This is our row 3 and row 2. Negative 3, negative 3, negative 3, negative 3 times 0, 0, 1, negative 2 plus row 2, 0, 1, 3, negative 2. This is equal to 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, negative 3 plus 3 equals 0, 6 plus negative 2 is equal to 4. Replace row 2 and copy row 1 and row 3. 1, 0, negative 2, 7, 0, 1, 0, 4, 0, 0, 1, negative 2. Let's make row 1 column 3 equal to 0 using row 3. The opposite of negative 2 is 2. Multiply 2 to row 3. 2 times row 3 plus row 1 to replace row 1. This is row 3 and this is row 1. 2, 2, 2, 2 times row 3, 0, 0, 1, negative 2 plus row 1, 1, 0, negative 2, 7. This is equal to 0 plus 1 equals 1, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 2 plus negative 2 equals 0, Negative 4 plus 7 is equal to 3. Replace row 1, copy row 2 and row 3. 1003, 0104, 001, negative 2. We're done. Enjoy learning.